Amigo Amigo is a design company based in Sydney, Australia, and we specialised in illuminated public artworks. We were invited to come to Dearborn, Michigan to illuminate their new park for the first season of their festival. So we've got one artwork which is called Fallen Stars, and these are two giant golden stars with rotating different coloured lights. And on the other side of the park we've got Lunar Lamp Posts, which is two big setups in the park featuring illuminated lamp posts, which are the interactive ones. So you can press the button and it lights up to the sky. Fallen Stars is it's a big artwork in big heavy pieces. We had people from the city come and help us put it together. There's a central structure, and then we need to put 5 legs on the bottom, and then we need to use manpower to flip those up. Lunar Lamp Posts got a lot more to it, so there's a lot of electronics involved, a lot of lights, so it takes a little bit longer to build and a bit more finessing, but very, very exciting in the end. All of the lights are designed to dance with the song, and then it goes through an interactive mode where you're invited to come and press the buttons and play.
Amazing.
And also because it's the winter months, it really encourages people to come out with their families. Kids are really excited about these artworks because they can get involved, and adults turn a little bit childish as well because it invites people to play and relax and be immersed. And I think it's really important for people to claim back that public use of space, and a really good way to bring people together.